Thank you, Kuya Mark. Si Toto may tanong, kung ang ill-gotten wealth ay nakadeposito sa foreign bank accounts, maaari pa rin bang ipilit ng prosekusyon ang pagbubukas at pagsisiwalat ng mga bank account na iyon, Kuya Mark?
Pakita, balik daw.
Kung ang ill-gotten wealth ay nakadeposito sa foreign bank accounts o offshore accounts, maaari pa rin ipilit o maaari pa rin bang ipilit ng prosecution ang pagbubukas ng mga nasabing bank account?
Pag foreign accounts, may batas tayo about foreign accounts. I have to repeat this. Iba yung foreign account sa yung tinatawag na peso account. Pag peso account, may court order lang, pwedeng buksan yan. But yung tinatawag na foreign account, absolutely confidential ang foreign accounts. Yun ang batas na absolutely confidential except kung through may tinatawag yata na may court order and particularly in impeachment, baka pwede yan. But napakahigpit i-open ang foreign bank account because it's actually absolutely confidential. But yung foreign accounts can be an evidence. It can be evidence kung mapapatunayan mo na may account yung isang politiko. But as a rule, yung foreign bank accounts are absolutely confidential. Yun ang nakalagay sa ating batas to encourage foreign investors to come to the Philippines. So maybe, I think, kailangan natin ng batas na yung absolutely confidentiality ng foreign accounts hindi mag-apply sa mga public officials. Kasi ngayon, mga public officials ka man or mga private individual, if you have foreign accounts, absolutely confidential. Yun talaga ang nakalagay sa batas, except kung may mga court order na pwedeng buksan. But as a general rule, pag foreign accounts, absolutely confidential.
Sige, Kuya Mark.